Hi everyone, today we are going to continue this reel as yesterday I had completed half of this reel. So today we will complete the second half and finally we will finish it today. So let's begin. Okay, so yesterday I think I told you to complete till this part. Okay, so we'll continue from here. Okay, so this will zoom out. For this animation, first we have to make the scene. Okay, so first let's hear the audio from where this is starting, this area. So I'll hit a marker M and then I will write second part, scene 1. So first there will be a so first we'll bring a white background. So we had created this already, so I'm just going to copy this, okay, and put it here. The next thing we need is this mic animation which I have provided, so put this here too, and let's place it here and increase the size a bit. Next we need this text. So text is very easy, like I showed you in the previous video. Use this Helvetica New 77 font, okay, and then we will write the text. Select both the text and put it behind. Let's deselect uniform scale and increase the height. Then it's written to online coaching here. So let's add another default text. Let's search for a cursive font. I'm using this monotype Coursera. Okay, let me just delete this coaching text and I will write this coaching text in another default text. Place it here. Okay, and coaching will be again in the blue color. So to online will be, I think, paid in any, and coaching will be type 2 animation.
Podcasts to online coaching.
Okay, now I'll just select everything, hit Alt+G to make it a compound clip. So when you finish this scene will come. Okay, so as I told you to do that scene in the previous video, I myself have not done that scene. It was just one scene which you had to create. Okay, so this freeze which we copied, okay, this had a fade in animation. I'll just delete it. Hit Alt+G. Now go to transform, and scale this up, and then go here somewhere and may bring it to 100. Now hit Alt+K. Select this, and now you can select rebound out, and now hold this handle and drag it up like this. Make it parallel line.
Podcasts to online. From podcasts to online coaching.
Now we'll bring in our this background, next background, and this background I found it on YouTube. I'll provide it in the description also. I'll disable it by pressing V. Tilt this background, head on to speed and increase it to 2x. start it from here. Now I'll enable this clip. Okay. As you can see, this goes to the left. So what I can do is, after this comes in, I'll just hit Ctrl B to cut it and then undo the compound clipping, and again I'll cut it and then I'll delete the starting part. Okay, now I'll select everything, leaving the background, and hit Alt plus G, and then I'll select this, hit transform, go ahead,
Listen carefully.
and then drag this outside. Now I'll hit Alt plus K to open this up and select cubic out.
Listen carefully. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. Listen carefully.
Then I'll put this background here. Okay. I'll cut this and add an out animation. Fade out.
Carefully. Listen carefully.
Okay, not this one. Add on this one. Okay. Put it like this.
Listen carefully.
Okay, so the next scene will be this. Just you have to put this, I have already provided one like this, and again bring another, hit on flip and put another like this by decreasing the size. You can just rotate also like this, and then what you can do is just write the text in the middle. Okay, then there is this animation. Okay, for this what you can do is, so after this is done,
Or internet. Have you ever thought of podcasts or internet about why all the whoever thought listen carefully. Have you listen carefully.
so this animation will come from the side. So what you have to do is hit Alt plus G to make it a compound click. Transform keyframe, go ahead, transform keyframe, go to the first keyframe, drag it out. Smoothen it.
Carefully. Carefully.
Now the next scene will again come. Okay, so for this first we have to make the scene. It's very simple. Just first bring on default text. Okay, delete the text, hit Windows plus dot key to open this up, and then select this square. Okay, increase the size and change the color to blue. Next what you have to do is Just increase the size a bit. Okay, now hit on, just first increase the size, hit Alt press G to make it a compound clip, then mask, add mask and select rectangle, give this a curve, hold this and drag it so it becomes curved. Okay, like you can see in the video, it's curved at the edges. Okay, now there will be a white background, so just again bring this white background here. I'll remove these animation from this, drag this out. Okay, now let's see what next is there. Okay, so this head animation with the text you can do, it's easy. Just I'll bring the head animation, put it above this. Okay, so this will come up in the form of circle. Just select everything, make a compound clip, put it here. Okay, hit on add mask, circle, shrink it.
Have you ever thought about...
And then here, just drag this out. Now you can just hit Alt plus K to open this and smoothen the keyframes.
Have you ever thought...
Okay, so again this slide up, this side it will go, and then this question mark will come. So what you have to do is just again make this a compound clip. Okay, and again make this a compound clip this time, and again bring the freeze frame and put it here, and then just again deselect the animation. Now just what you can do, okay, you made this a compound clip. Now undo it, this was wrong, undo it. Okay, so
Have you ever thought about what...
cut it from here, undo this. Okay, now how we did previously, cut it, delete the start part, compound clip only these two, not the background, and then again move it to the left. Remove this background, white background, we don't need it. Go front and drag it to the left. Now hit Alt plus K.
all the big podcasts or internet, all the big podcast.
Now this animation will come from the right. Okay, you can do that. I have already provided the question mark animation in the description. Okay, it's same thing. Then this will come, this animation. So what you have to do, first you have to set up the scene. Okay, so for that just bring in your background. Okay, rotate it, make it full screen. After bringing in the background, what you have to do is, see, most of my videos I do the 40-50% or 60%, and rest I just tell you the main animations because I want you all to do it. If you just sit and copy everything, then there is no use. So when you will do it, you will face some problems, and through those problems you will actually learn how to edit. Now just this animation text is easy, only thing is this circle. Okay, so for this circle animation I have provided it in the description, and you can download it. Just bring your circle animation, write the text, compound clip everything, and then do a this zoom out animation like we are doing previously. We have done 2-3 times. And then this text you can do for this, this 3 parts. What you can do is, let me show you how to make. Bring in a default text. Okay, hit Windows plus dot key, select this square, increase the font size, make it blue color, hit Alt plus G, copy it, hit Alt plus G, again undo the compound clip, change the color first to white, then hit Alt plus G, go to video, mask, add mask, film strip, increase the feathering, okay. Now compound clip it, again bring a default text, Windows plus dot key, select this triangle, expand the size. Okay, so you can see we have got this, just do this and bring mine, this here, and copy this again and bring another one here. Okay, now it looks much better. Now compound everything. Okay, as you can see, you've got that. Okay, so it's now the ending. As you can see, there is a line coming and then it's expanding and then simple text. So what you can do, just bring a default text, or instead of that, quicker way, head on to library, bring a black background, rotate it, add mask, select film strip, okay, hit on this keyframe, go ahead and then expand it.
Coincident.
Now you just have to smoothen it.
Coincidence. It is not a coincidence.
Okay, so it's done. It's simple. Don't worry, when I'll make high quality videos, I will go through each and every step. Okay, each and everything I will go through properly. But these reel edits we have been doing for quite a while, and these are very simple. It's not as if I have not told you how to make these animations. All the animations or everything is the same. Okay, so in the starting also these animations were used, in the end also, so it doesn't make sense to repeat everything again and again. So I've covered everything in the starting animations, in the end it is also same. So just do this end part by yourselves. I know it will be easy for you all. Okay, and if you have any doubts, let me know.